Hey everyone, it's Erin here. I have been making these Valentine loaded pockets to send out in snail mail for just little Valentine Happy Mail goodies. And so I thought I'd do a quick video and show you how easy it is to actually make these pockets. Okay, so the first thing you need is a square piece of paper. You can use any paper that you want to use. I am using scrapbook cardstock paper. It would be better if you had double-sided paper. However, I don't have any Valentine themed double-sided right now, so I am just using what I have. You can make them any size that you want, depending on the size that you want your pocket. I wanted mine to be a little bigger, so I am using a 12 by 12 sheet out of a paper pad. And I cut it down just a little bit so that it's actually 11 by 11. So to make your pocket, once you have your paper, you will turn it over so that the side that you want to show on your actual pocket is on the bottom. Okay, then you're just gonna fold it diagonal like this. Press down. Then you're going to take the pointed tip that you just folded and put it down into the middle on the bottom here. Okay, then you open that back up. You're going to take one of your side flaps and you're going to fold it up to this middle crease that you just did. And then you do the same thing with the other side. And once you have that, this is double flapped. So you take the bottom flap and you fold it down. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is now a pocket and you can fill it with whatever you want. You can glue this or you don't have to. I like to either use a glue dot or a little hot glue and just glue it down. And then you just decorate it with some stickers, embellishments, whatever you have, whatever you want to use. And you make a little pocket. So this is one of the ones that I've made. I also have this one and this one that I've made today. I just made a rosette. These are actually just paper embellishments. This is some ribbon trim that I picked up at the Target dollar spot. And I'll show you what I have inside. This is actually just a little Valentine card. I thought it was cute. Has a little Hello Kitty pencil. Some washi samples. This is a tag that I made. And I put some washi samples on, so the person that I send this to will have some Valentine washi samples. This is a mini sticker pad. Has cute little Valentine stickers inside, and these are scratch and sniff. This is a little mini 4-inch Valentine pen. A Russell Stover's strawberry cream heart. This is just a foam glitter heart. And then there's a little Valentine notepad they can write in. And this is a heart doily that I actually glued to the back since I didn't have double-sided paper. I thought it looked kind of plain if it was just white, so I just glued a doily there. In the bottom here, I did stick a little tissue paper. It just helps kind of hold the stuff up in the pocket. You could use whatever you want. You don't have to put anything. I just wanted to on mine. If you wanted to make these with 6 by 6 paper, they make little mini pockets. That would be great to hold something small like washi samples, little stickers, things like that. That would be cute to send your pen pal. Anyways, that's it, guys. They're really easy to make. You just fold your paper over and stuff it full. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching and happy Valentine's Day.